Now let us see our next example. You can see we have two circles. The one circle having diameter 54 and the another one is having, see, what's the diameter of this bigger circle? It's 94. So let us draw two circles. One is having 54 diameter, so go to diameter and press 54. Another one is having 94 diameter. Okay, so center point, go to diameter 94. Exactly. Now, yeah, just a second. I think circle, let me check whether I have given right or not. Yes, 94. And this is 54. Perfectly all right. Now you can see we have array of 6 circles. Okay, so something is written here. 6 holes. Actually, these are 6 holes with 12 diameter. Okay, so 6 holes and 12 diameter. So what is the diameter? What is the diameter of this circle where array is done? 74. See, is 74. So go to circle again. Draw a circle of diameter 74. Okay. Now go to circle. Draw a circle here of 12 diameter. Go to diameter and it will be 12 like this. Now go to array command. AR enter. Select object. Enter. Okay. We have to do polar array. So center point. This will be the center point. How many? 6. Enter. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now you can see that this is not the real circle, rather it is a center line kind of shape. So you can go to LT, line type, load, go to center, enter, and then start properties. Select this, change the line type, that's it, and close it. I hope this is clear. Now, by taking that same center, and we have to draw some more circles, and you can see that actually from here to here, see, from here to here it's an arc, from here to here it's an arc, this is an arc, this is also an arc. So total there are 5 arcs, 1 2 3 4 5, out of which 4 is solid, and this one right here, this one right here, which is having 100 radius, is a center line. Okay, so we are going to draw 5 circles, then I will trim it. Okay, not an issue. 5 circle. First circle will be 100 radius. See, 100 radius, which is the center line. 100 radius, 100, right? Yes. Now you can easily observe, if this is 100, if this one is 100 radius, then this is plus 12, this will be minus 12. See, this circle will be plus 12, 100 plus 12 radius, and this will be 100 minus 12, because this small circle radius is 12. So go to circle again. Okay, 112, and one more, 100 minus 12, that is 88, like this. And what is the radius of this bigger semicircle? It is 23. So 1 plus 23, that is 123. 123, and 100 minus 23, that is 77, like this. So go to line command. Now this is done. Now we have to create two lines, this and this, at an angle 30 degree. How much? At an angle 30 degree. So draw a line here by keeping ortho on. Yes. Now go to OS. Go to OS. Go to polar tracking. Keep the incremental angle as 30. Okay. And polar tracking on, that is F10 on. Okay. Now go to line command again. See, it will track at 30 degree. You can see, yeah. See, it will always track at 30 degrees. So I want 30 degree from this particular line. So see, it is tracking. Keep the length like that only. See, again it is tracking at every 30 degree like that. So you can see, go to DI, select this and this. Or we can check through parametric as well. Go to parametric and go to this angle. You can check the angle. It will be 30 degree only. See, it is 30 and this is also 30. Exactly. Now, trim it. TR, double enter. Trim it. This is trimmed. Now go to circle command. Draw a circle here. Circle of radius 23 and another circle of radius 12. Okay. Now you can mirror this. You can mirror this. Go to MI, enter. Select these two objects, or we can do one thing. First trim it. First trim it. Go to trim TR, double enter. Okay. Trim these things because this should be a semicircle like this. I hope this is clear. Okay. Exactly. Now we can mirror it. We can mirror this part. First point of mirror line, second point of mirror line. Do you want to erase the source object? No, obviously no. Okay, so this is done. Okay, exactly. Now, let's create a line. So, how to create that line? The line should be of 36 distance to each other. Create a line here and create a line here. So we can do offset 18 left and 18 right. So go to offset, O enter. Okay, offset distance 18, enter. Select object and offset, select object and offset. That's it. Now we can use fillet command. Go to fillet, F enter. You can see the fillet radius is 10 here and also here 10. So between this and this, go to radius, it should be 10. Exactly. Go to fillet again, choose multiple, select this and this. So you can see this is how the fillet is done. Now go to radius again. Now this time fillet radius is 9. I want to fillet this part here. So select this and this. Okay. 1 second. So this is happening like this. So what should I do? Go to fillet again. Go to radius. Radius should be 9. And in trim, select no trim. Then it will not gone. It will be perfect now. Yes. Now you can trim it from here, and from here, and you can directly delete these lines. Yes. I hope this is very much clear. Now you can see that this arc should come from here to here. So we can use lengthen command and dynamic. You can extend it up to here. You can extend it up to here like that. Okay. Now change the line type as center line. So go to LT, properties, select this line and it should be center. Yes, like that. And also fillet is remaining here. Go to fillet, radius, it should be 10 between this and this. But we have to trim it away. So trim this and this is deleted. So this is how it will look. You can see this is also a center line. Okay, that's it. I hope this is clear to you. So this is how we make in AutoCAD our 2D drawings.